Hey guys, so first off, I'm sorry that I've been kind of MIA on social media and there's no video this past week. I've been sick. As you might still be able to tell, I still am getting out of breath very quickly. But I happened to receive my Colourpop Brunch Date palette by Zoella this week. I actually ended up getting the whole PR collection, so I really wanted to sit down and show you guys. Now, I actually got this Thursday, but I was still really sick Thursday, so trying to film anything was just not on my radar. But today I wanted to sit down and film this with you so that I can start taking it out, using it, and also not only reviewing it for you guys, but filming some tutorials for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I have yet to open this at all other than taking it out of the box. So I guess we'll start with, see, that's my order form. It just has this little card in it. I'm going to start with these two items. So the first one right here is Zoella Colourpop Swipe Right Pressed Powder for the cheeks. So it's Swipe Right highlighter. It's in a really cute little palette. They're made to look like eggs, obviously. And then this is the color. Very, very pretty. It's like a darker kind of color. But I don't know if you can see it on my hand, but it's very shimmery, so I'm really excited to try this, especially for summer. So this will be really fun. It feels like the palettes are also magnetic, which is cool. The next one that I have here is Zoella Colourpop Soulmate pressed cheek powder, which is the blush. Also about my finger, I accidentally cut it shaving. Oops. So sorry about that. Let's see if I can get this out and see which color this is. So it's like a really pretty pinky color. See if I can swipe something on the back of my hand. I really appreciate about this that it's a very light pink, so I feel like I can still use it. I really don't like very pinky tones, so I appreciate that this is very light and buildable, because you know some of them will just come off like straight pink. I really like that this is a buildable one, so that's really cool. Now on to these two items. These are the cream liners. So this one is XOXO. It comes in this cute little coral packaging, and it's like a pencil. So this one is the black one. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's just like a normal black liner. If you're wondering why I'm putting these back in their packaging, it's because I'm going to do some photography with them later. This one is called Sincerely Yours. Still in the very similar coral orange packaging. This color is a deep brown, so it's like a darker brown liner. These are very, very accurate liners too, which I like. I can get a very straight, thin line. We'll see how well I can do with that on my eyes, but on my hand at least, it's a very thin line. Next up, I have the Zoella Colourpop Group Hug, the Supernova Shadow Bundle. So what I have here is the Zoella Colourpop Supernova Shadow in OG. So she has a couple liquid shadows in her line. Don't know if you can see that, but it's like a sparkly brownie nude shade, which is really pretty. And then this one that I have here is Bellini. Very, very similar shades. The only difference is this one's a little bit more darker and slightly more pinky. But overall, these two are very, very similar. Like, if I wasn't paying attention, they look very, very much the same to me. But that might be because of my lighting and stuff in here. I'll have to look again and I'll let you guys know in a review if I think they're the same. But they are very similar. Next thing that I have here is the Zoella Colourpop lip bundle. This one is little one. If you're wondering, in the PR collection you get everything from the collection, so this is basically her entire collection. So the lip bundles come with a liner and a matte lipstick. So I'm going to put these on the back of my hand to see what they look like. This one, like I said, is in the little one. So it's like a nudie shade. Try and let that dry down just a bit. So right here on my hand is the matte lipstick and the liner. I hope that you guys can kind of see these. My camera doesn't autofocus, so I can't really get closer for you to see it better without like completely adjusting everything. So that's that. The next one that I have here is the Self Love Club, and the lip pencil is Bossy. Oh yeah, they have like different ones. Okay, that was all the same. This one, the Ultra Matte Lip is Self Love Club, and the lip pencil is Bossy. So you have like a bright red matte lipstick, and then you have a red lip pencil. It's a very pinky red for the lip pencil. So on the lighter side. Then a much deeper red for the lipstick. I really appreciate that these are paired because I don't use a lot of lip liner, and matching them, like I can do it, but it's easier if you just have it. So this right here is the liner with the lipstick. They complement each other really, really well. The next one that I have here is At Me Ultra Matte Lip and Oh Snap Lip Pencil. So you have this pinky nudie color for the lip, and then you have a nudie color for the liner. The liner for this one is very nudie, like a brown nude. And the lip is very pinky nude. I can't close this one. There we go. So this right here is the liner with the matte lipstick. Obviously the bigger line is the matte lipstick, and then the liner. So these also complement very well. I'm actually probably going to wear one of these today because I'm going out to lunch with someone. Don't worry, I'm not like contagious anymore. I just still sound awful. So yeah. Now on to my absolute favorite part, and what I would have bought if I could not have bought any other thing from the palette, would be Brunch Day palettes. This is the first thing I saw, and I love eyeshadows, so I was super excited. So when you open it up, you have the mirror, and then you have all these pretty, pretty colors. So I'm going to fold this back a little bit so it's not shining the light. You have Champagne Toast, Pancakes Please, French Toast, Skinny Latte, Cinnamon Sugar, Mimosa, Extra Slice, which is so pretty and sparkly, Brunch Club, which is a very blue shade I'm very excited to try, Americano, Sunny Side Up, Sunday Funday, which is a super sparkly pink kind of color I'm super excited for, and then Maple Syrup. These look so pigmented. I'm not going to swatch them yet because I'm going to photograph this palette, but I will definitely have swatches when I do the review for this palette, and I'm just like super excited for it. Like, this is literally, like, what I bought this for. All of this stuff I'm definitely going to use and I'm excited for. But this right here is, like, the main thing that I wanted. So, I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing all the stuff in the PR collection. And I'm definitely going to review all of these items. And if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of these kinds of videos. I love doing videos like this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.